Mostly sunshine with some clouds hanging around, and every now and then a few of these darker clouds are dropping just a little bit of rain, but there's not a whole lot to be found out there this afternoon. 72 degrees by the time we get to about 10 p.m. in Birmingham. It'll be in the 60s in Coleman and Gadsden, and away from the middle of town. I think even in Jefferson County, 60s are going to be more common than in the middle of the city. 69 early in the morning. Again, some a little cooler than that away from the middle of town. And then tomorrow afternoon, very similar to the way it's been today. Still hot with a low chance of a brief shower or two. And where will those showers be coming from? Well, from the northeast across Georgia and Tennessee. A little bit of moisture here that's coming around the western periphery, the far western edge of the cloud deck that's associated with Tropical Storm Imelda. Watch what happens with this tomorrow afternoon. Slowly working its way down I-59. A few little brief showers here and there. The kind that we've had today. It's one of those kinds of afternoons where the majority of us aren't going to get a single drop of rain. But if you leave your windows cracked or the top down on a convertible, odds are you might get enough that you'll want to be paying attention to this. At the very least, have the WVTM 13 app so you'll know if rain is close by in the area. You'll get that little alert that it's on the way. Tomorrow, mostly dry, high about 87. Not a huge change for Wednesday, but with a northeast wind, look at this. By Thursday morning and Friday morning and Saturday morning, lows are in the upper 50s. That's about the best we're going to do when it comes to a cool down, because every other number here is above average for the end of September and the first part of October. Even Saturday and Sunday with a southeast breeze helping to pump up a little bit of moisture with a few showers, we're still well above the averages for the first weekend in the month of October. Well, there's a lot in play here. And the biggest thing that we've been watching is what's been going on with Imelda. And if you've been looking at this on satellite and you see all the different interactions, there's Imelda, there's Humberto. What's going to happen here is Humberto is going to start to pull on Imelda just a little bit. So there goes the forecast path from Humberto. Category 4 now, likely to weaken as it goes across the North Atlantic. But think about it like it's just opening up a gap for Imelda to take a trip off toward the northeast, away from the continental United States. And because that happens, we are not going to get that big push of cooler air that we expected, but it will at least help to set off some showers around here as the Gulf begins to open back up around a strong ridge Sunday and Monday. Will we get a lot of rain? Probably not, but it may be at least enough to wet the ground by the first part of next week.